Over 1 million developers have switched to Cursor AI. Stripe deployed it to thousands of engineers. It crossed $1 billion in annual revenue. In this video I cover everything Mac and Windows setup, every feature, the honest truth about the June 2025 pricing changes, the 4 shortcuts that run everything, and exactly how it compares to Claude Code and GitHub Copilot. This is the only Cursor guide you need. Cursor is a complete code editor, not a plugin, not an extension. It is VS Code rebuilt from the ground up with AI at the core. Unlike GitHub Copilot, which adds AI on top of your existing editor, Cursor redesigned the entire editing experience around AI. Every action, autocomplete, chat, editing, refactoring, is AI aware from the start. GitHub Copilot is a plugin added to your existing editor. Cursor is a full editor rebuilt around AI. Tab completion in Cursor predicts your next edit, not just the current line. Chat understands your entire codebase, not just the open file. Agent builds features across multiple files at once. Background agents run tasks in parallel while you work on something else. And you can switch between GPT-5, Claude Sonnet, Gemini, and Grok mid-session. Setting up on Mac. Go to cursor.com and download the Mac installer. Open it, drag Cursor into your Applications folder, and launch it. On first run it will ask to import your VS Code settings, click Import. Done. All your extensions, themes, and keyboard shortcuts are already there. Then sign up for a free account or start your 7-day pro trial. To open a project in Cursor, open your terminal, navigate to your project folder using CD, then type cursor. And press Enter. Cursor opens with full awareness of every file in that folder. On Windows you have 2 options. Option 1: download Cursor directly from cursor.com and install it. It works in PowerShell and command prompt. Option 2: use WSL, Windows Subsystem for Linux, for a smoother experience if you already develop in a Linux environment. For most Windows developers the direct download is fine. For shortcuts cover 95% of everything you do in Cursor. Command-L opens AI chat about your codebase. Command-K opens inline editing on any selected code, tell it what to change and it rewrites it. Command-I launches agent mode where you describe a feature and AI builds it across multiple files. Tab accepts the next predicted edit. Escape rejects it. Learn these 4 and you are productive immediately. Cursor tab is not just autocomplete. It predicts your next edit, sometimes 3 or 4 moves ahead. You rename a variable, tab predicts every other place it needs to change. You refactor a function, tab predicts the follow-on edits across the file. After 1 week of using tab you genuinely cannot go back to coding without it. Agent mode is where Cursor becomes something different entirely. You describe a feature in plain English, build me a user authentication system with JWT tokens, add dark mode to the settings page, write tests for this module. Agent reads your entire codebase, plans what it needs to do, creates or edits multiple files, and reports back with exactly what changed. You review and approve. Pricing. Hobby is free and genuinely useful for evaluation, but you will hit limits within 1 to 2 weeks. Pro is $20 a month. Important: in June 2025 Cursor changed from a request-based model to a credit-based system. Your $20 plan includes a $20 credit pool that depletes based on which models you use. Stay on auto mode and you get unlimited usage on cost-efficient models. Manually selecting Claude Sonnet or GPT-5 depletes your credits faster. Pro Plus is $60 with 3 times the credits. Ultra is $200. Teens is $40 per user. Precautions. Always use auto mode. Manually selecting premium models depletes your credit pool fast and users have reported bills far higher than expected. Never paste secrets into any AI tool. Always review agent output before merging. Enable privacy mode in settings if your code is proprietary. Track your usage monthly. And Cursor may use your code to improve the model. You can disable this in settings under privacy. The honest comparison. GitHub Copilot is a plugin for your existing editor, best if you never want to change your workflow and already use GitHub daily. Cursor is a full replacement editor, best for your daily active coding sessions, best for developers who want the richest AI integration in every action. Claude Code is a terminal agent, best for large autonomous tasks, full project rewrites, and running complex changes while you are away from the keyboard. Most experienced developers use Cursor for daily coding and Claude Code for big tasks. Download Cursor free at cursor.com. Claude Code documentation at docs.anthropic.com/claude-code. GitHub Copilot at github.com/features/copilot. All three have free tiers. My recommendation: install Cursor today and try it for 1 week before paying anything. You will know immediately whether it is worth $20 a month. For most developers, it absolutely is. Start with Cursor for your daily coding. Add Claude Code when you have a large complex task that needs autonomous execution. Use GitHub Copilot if your organization requires it. All links are in the description. If this helped, subscribe. I cover AI tools that genuinely save developers time every week. See you in the next one.